In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on your Mini Cooper. First thing I do is I take out my dipstick, I check the level, see where it's at, see if we're missing anything. This one looks good. Dry it off, and now I open up my oil filler cap, and I set that aside. Now we're going to go up, and we're going to undo the drain plug. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove our oil plug. Make sure you have a drain bucket below. I usually get it till you can get it out by hand. And once you feel like it's about to come out, you're going to do a controlled yank and get your oil pan ready. And let it go in. After you remove your drain plug, make sure you inspect it. Make sure the gasket on it looks good. And if not, you're going to replace your drain plug because the gasket is with it. Once it's done draining, you're going to wipe down the area and reinstall your drain plug. Snug it up and torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Do not over-tighten. All right, torque that to 18 foot-pounds. And now we're going to go up top and remove our oil filter. I'm going to use an adjustable wrench, and we're going to undo the top of our oil filter housing. Make sure you have a drain bucket below in case there's any more oil that wants to come out, which there should be more oil that comes out. So just be ready for it. So inside here is where your oil filter will be. You're just going to keep unscrewing it so you can do it by hand, hopefully. Feels like it's loose enough, and I'm just going to take it off the rest of the way by hand. Let's remove our O-ring and replace it. Just make a note of where it is so you put it back on the right slot. Now you have your new one. You're going to place it on. Make sure it's obviously free of debris. We're going to remove our filter. Just pull it out. It looks like there's a bigger hole in the bottom. I'm going to put it in the same way, bigger hole in the bottom. Make sure it's seated well. And now let's put a little clean oil on our O-ring. I have some ready in a cap. Use whatever your manufacturer recommends. And now we're going to install this back on the housing. Now we're going to place this on and make sure it's lined up with that center post that's in there and begin threading it in. Make sure it's threaded in properly and not cross-threaded. And tighten it down by hand. And then you're going to torque it to 18 foot-pounds. If you do not have a tool for this particular oil filter housing, you can use an adjustable wrench, and I would say use your best judgment for how tight 18 foot-pounds is. Obviously it was on pretty good when we took it off, but I do think it was over-tightened, so I'm going to go about half that way. Yours may not have been. You're going to want to bottom it out and then just snug it up if you don't have a torque wrench or you can't get one in there. We already took our cap off in the beginning. We're going to put our funnel in, and now we're going to put 4.8 quarts of oil in. Now we're going to remove our funnel, put our cap on. Make sure you hear that click for that one. Your dipstick should say a minimum and a max, and there's crosses throughout. You want your oil to be at the top end when it's hot. And let's check where our level is. You might need to wait a minute for it to all get where it goes. Give it a check. It's a little bit above the X's, like it should be, and that's because we haven't started the vehicle yet and forced that oil into where the oil filter is. So once it gets sucked up, it should be right where it belongs. Now I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life. To begin, you're going to press and hold your reset button and turn your key in the on position. Do not start the vehicle. Just go in the first one. I'm going to release it. Press and hold. It says reset, E-R-S-T right here, blinking. Release it. And it says end, and it's reset. Now let's check our work, make sure our oil service is out. Turn off your key. So when you turn your key on, it will say oil service at first, and then it should go out, like that. Now you can turn your key off, and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.